Greetings from the apocalypse. Today I thought I'd talk a little bit about buying silver because I got a question the other day about it, and I've had this question on and off for many years. You may have noticed when you go to order silver in wire or sheet, they may ask you questions like, well, do you want dead soft? Do you want hard? Do you want half hard? Do you want soft? And you're like, what the fuck does that mean? So I'm going to tell you what the fuck that means. So all of those designations are really just talking about annealing. For example, dead soft means completely annealed, as soft as it's ever going to get. Half hard means somewhere between annealed and completely hardened. Hard means completely hard. Most people have some method of annealing at home in their studios, not everybody. So even if you just have like a little butane torch or anything like that, as long as you have a way to heat your metal, none of those designations matter to you in the least, because you're going to use your metal, you're going to anneal it as you need to, and it doesn't matter. Really, what that's for is for people who buy metal and work on it at home and have no heat source. You know what I mean? They have no torch. So for example, let's say maybe if you were doing some bead wrapping, for example, maybe you would want to get half hard wire because you'd want it to be a little bit soft so that you could still work it, but you'd want it to be a little springier, so that it holds up better. I mean, everyone has different, needs for their work. Normally, if you were going to forge something, you'd want it nice and annealed to start with so that you could move it more easily. But for the majority of you out there, those don't mean anything. So don't even when we order our metal, I don't even, who the fuck knows if it's soft or hard or whatever. It doesn't matter, because each piece of metal, I'm going to take it, I'm going to anneal it or not, or do whatever it is I normally do with it, having nothing to do with whether it's already, soft or hard or whatever. So the main thing is it doesn't really matter. So maybe you're one of those people that it does matter to, and you have no torch or anything at home. Now, in that case, you do need to understand it. And like I said, it basically runs the gamut from dead soft, which means like ultra soft, extra soft, as soft as you can possibly make it, and then soft, and then there's half hard, and hard. And that would pretty much be the range, hard being the hardest. I figured that out all by myself. And dead soft meaning the softest it can ever be. Just so you know, though, if you don't have a torch at home, you can anneal metal pretty easily as long as you have a gas stove. You can take, a nice pair of long tweezers, hold the metal over the flame till it's annealed. It works great. Just so you know. So that's really it. I never really understand why manufacturers don't make a bigger deal out of explaining that, right up front, so that people are not confused, because I get so many people who are like, I called and they said dead soft or half hard or whatever, and I don't know what the fuck that is. So that's all it is. It just has to do with how much the metal has been annealed. So hopefully now it'll be a little easier next time you order your metal. That's all for today.